Today we're going to be going over the Masterswipe for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be learning a Masterswipe for the UTC, which is basically a Masterscoot Switch. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your hand swipe switch. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So all this move is, it's a Masterscoot, but we're going to be landing on the opposite leg. So kind of like switching them in the air. And this one is going to be good to know for your dive master swipes later on, which will eventually build up to your grand master swipe. And before we begin this tutorial, make sure you guys follow me on IG if you do not already. I post like my sessions, what I'm working on there, so a little bit different content from what you see here, but I'll also post some like clips and stuff on there as well. Feel free to message me for any tips or anything you want on there as well. All right, guys? Yeah, check that out. All right, back to the tutorial. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, looking kind of just forward a little bit. Going to wind up your arms, start to sit back a little bit. Then you're going to start to look back for the ground as you bring your arms up and around. Drive that cheat leg up as hard as you can. Jump off your other leg as hard as you can. Make sure your hands touch the ground nice and firmly, pushing through your shoulders. Kick your swing leg through, landing on the swing leg, finishing the move in a backside stance. And as always, don't forget you can do this move with a spin in front of it. You can do it with a follow through at the end, or you can do it with a spin and follow through together. And I do recommend getting used to all those 4 combinations and just to know that you have control over this move. And my only 2 tips for this move is the first is to really make sure you're lifting up that cheat leg as hard as you can. Like really focus on lifting that cheat leg up as much as possible. The second tip is to focus on jumping or pushing off your swing leg as hard as you can. So kick that cheat leg super hard through and then jump off the swing leg as hard as you possibly can right after that. Now a good progression for this is going to be a back scoot switch, so I'll go ahead and link the tutorial right there for you, so make sure to check that one out if you do not have it already, or if this is like a little too difficult for you, get that move first and then come back and try this one. All right, I kept the slow-mos in, so let's check them out. So that's it for today's tutorial. I just want to say thank you for everyone subscribed and watching and supporting me in this curriculum. It really means a lot to me, so thank you so much, guys. Also, don't forget to follow me on IG. Make sure to leave a like and all that crap. Also, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, become part of the Upraiz gang. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Oprah.